a limit buy order at 60K last night, but it didn't hit. So what I did is manually enter the market off these wicks off the Bollinger Band in a key level because it just didn't want to get down to 60K. I'm a price action trader. I use divergences, support and resistance, just the basics. And I'm a huge fan of the Bollinger Band. So my targets are the top of the Bollinger Band. I don't think right now we're going to continue dumping from the 60K range, because if market makers' objective is to push price further down, we need people to sell their crypto. We need people to sell their Bitcoin. And that's not going to happen if everybody's still stuck on greed and they know market makers' tricks. They're not selling right now. We have to make a fake rally, which I think 68K to 69K at least, rally back up and reject, because that would influence traders, investors, people to take profit, to think that we're going to go lower if we get rejected from the higher prices once again. I'm going to switch to the trading exchange because that's what I want to do on my channel. A lot of YouTube influencers, Instagram, Twitter, X, whatever, they like to talk big noise and they don't show their trades. So the exchange I use shows the entries on the chart. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch and show where I entered. I didn't expect this trade to be the most huge, phenomenal trade, but I like to make money every day. That's what I do in crypto. Crypto is freedom to me. So I didn't use any stop loss, and I use low leverage. Low leverage, no stop loss. I had another buy down at this area. Got another buy order around 49 to protect a liquidation, because I didn't know. I made this trade with low leverage and I went to sleep. I don't have time to stare at the charts all night. I just know that if the market kept bleeding and there was like some huge sell-off during Asia session, we come down to these key levels, bounce, have a relief rally, because once again, my opinion is that we need a fake out to make people believe that we're going low. Price is going lower. So with DCA from this range down to this range, down to the 49K area, 50K, that is where I believe we would have a huge bounce if that were to happen. So either play is making money. I'm in profit right now. I've been in profit basically since I woke up this morning. I'm just letting it ride. I want to see if we can make it to, let's see, drop down. I want to see if we can make it. It's the 15-minute time frame. I want to see if we could break out of this little resistance right here that we're at on a low time frame, come up to 68 to 69K. Right now in the hourly, we are coming out of the Bollinger Band. We haven't had a major wick. We got another hourly candle working. So we can't break through this little small resistance. But I'm going to let it go because I know we have the Fed meetings coming up. Jerome Powell is going to talk, so I expect a lot of craziness to go on. We could shoot down here, pop back up here, or shoot up here, pop back down here, depending on what the news is. But I expect both directions to play out. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, this is the exchange I use, and this was my entry. I might TP just depending on how ugly this rejection is looking right here outside the Bollinger Bands. They have a few indicators that you can use right here. But yeah, that's my entry right there. I've been in profit since last night. I entered in at 61,438. And we're at 65.7 right now.